Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have a refreshing and flavorful recipe to share with you. We'll be showing you how to make a delicious Greek salad packed with vibrant colors and incredible Mediterranean flavors. So, let's get started. Here are the ingredients. 2 large tomatoes diced, 1 cucumber peeled and chopped, 1 green bell pepper seeded and sliced, 1 red onion thinly sliced, 1 cup Kalamata olives, 1 cup feta cheese crumbled, 1 4-cup extra virgin olive oil, 2 tablespoons red wine vinegar, 1 teaspoon dried oregano, salt and pepper to taste. Let's dive into the process of making this refreshing Greek salad. Step 1. In a large bowl, combine the diced tomatoes, chopped cucumber, sliced green bell pepper, and thinly sliced red onion. Step 2. Add the Kalamata olives and crumbled feta cheese to the bowl. Step 3. In a separate small bowl, whisk together the extra virgin olive oil, red wine vinegar, dried oregano, salt, and pepper. Step 4. Drizzle the dressing over the salad ingredients. Step 5. Toss the salad gently to combine all the flavors and ensure the dressing coats the ingredients evenly. Step 6. Taste and adjust the seasoning if needed. And there you have it. A beautiful and refreshing Greek salad, ready to be enjoyed. The vibrant colors and Mediterranean flavors will transport you to the sunny shores of Greece. I hope you've enjoyed learning how to make this delicious Greek salad. It's a perfect side dish for any meal, or you can enjoy it as a light and healthy lunch option. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.